What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2009 Yamaha 950 Touring. Guys, this bike is super cool. It's got Vance and Hines on it. It's pretty much just your average 950 Touring. Like it's got basically, actually it's not the Touring, it's the 950, because the Touring typically has the bags and like obviously the shield and stuff like that. It's just 950. You know, it's just a, how do you just say it? It's just a black Vstar. You got some scuffs. I like these bikes. They're comfortable. They're super just reliable, good bikes. They're cheap. I'm a big fan. But it's all in good shape, guys. The paint's in pretty good shape. We got a little scuff right there. You can see that. The pipes are super cool though. They just got this like slash cut to them. Vance and Hines. Paint's in immaculate shape. We got a little scuff right there. We got a couple scuffs on the back engine box right there. No, not engine box, that side cover right there. Don't know what I'm talking. I've been doing too many of these today. Front headlights in good shape. All this is in good shape. It's a little dirty, Lindsay. You didn't clean it. We got a little scratch right there. That front fender, you can see that. Tiny bit of rust around that front covering. I'm sure with just a nice acrylic pad, you get all that stuff out. Side of the tank's good. Scratch on that lower part of the tank, and then we got a scratch down here. This is plastic. I'm sure you could replace it if you really wanted to. It's not that big of a deal. Seat's in great shape, guys. Top of the tank's in great shape. Let's see. This bad boy, I think it's right around 10 on it. Yeah, 10,944 miles. It fires up right away. Guys, right around 10,000 miles on it. It's just basically just the newer Vstar 1100s. I like them way better than the Vstar 1100s. I think they're more spaced out, they're more comfortable, they're a way smoother ride. This is not going to last long, guys. Everybody loves these bikes. Like I said, 10,000 miles, it's like nothing on this bike. Make sure to check out the test drive video before you purchase it. We can ship it to you. Definitely make sure to check out the channel, Bikes and Beards and SRK Cycles. Check it out, Srkcycles.com. I got tons of photos and I got the price and everything on there. We also now offer financing, so if you want to apply for a credit app on this bike, you're more than welcome to. Thanks a ton for watching, guys, and see you later.